All right, guys, getting these bikes ready for the Montgomery Distillery Bike Show tomorrow. Nice and washed and cleaned. So fresh and so clean.
I rode back the entire way with my balls hanging out.
Wait, it was like huge?
Dude, it was literally from like up at the zipper all the way down to the knee.
Oh, no.
It was a bad day not to wear briefs because my boys the whole way back. That was bad.
Hope people were like, that guy knows how to ride.
I was afraid I was going to get pulled over and get charged.
Indecent exposure.
Indecent exposure. So what's the issue with the old fuel line?
He had some big fat air bubbles in it, and it seemed like he was running out of gas. I don't really know, you know? I'm kind of thinking maybe his little intake here is all kind of clogged up. It looks pretty dirty down there, not gonna lie.
There he is.
Woo!
Roll call.
Little flicker.
Well, it won't be on at the show, so.
Nice. Let's see what you've done.
Shit, not much. I just added.
Oh yeah, nice thick.
Today, the big deal is stripping out or taking off all these wires that don't need to be there, and then fixing the kickstand so I can actually stand it up.
That is crucial tomorrow.
Yeah, that sounds important.
Yeah, make sure fuel lines are clogged, bro.
Damn, dude.
I mean, it is draining now, so I think it's actually a carburetor issue now.
Oh, really?
Things are pretty dirty, dude.
Found it the hard way. I feel like that's not the first time that's happened.
Yeah, we just need to build a new shop over there, and
Does anybody's car actually fit in here?
no, even in my Colorado won't even fit in here. It's
Dude.
the most pointless thing.
Too tall.
I mean, it'll fit, but like, there's like
There's too much.
6 inches of room on either
Right.
side, and then like you pull all the way in, and it's like 6 inches from the front. So like working on it in here.
Oh, wait, you
Nightmare.
can park it and have it not covered in snow in the winter.
Nah, I don't give a shit about that.
I want you to get real excited for me, Butters. Real excited.
Yes! Let there be light!
Right, too.
Woo!
Oh, yeah.
You want a real shot, dude? Put a f***ing lighter over that.
Yeah. Yeah, dude.
All right.
Nice.
Hopefully anything that was in there
Yeah.
is no longer in there.
So what do you think the odds are we see John Mayer?
I'm thinking like 95, 98%. What's your issue?
Issue number one is I can't find the handle that I just had in my hand.
Oh, the grip?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, what could it be?
Aliens. I like how yours looks, but I like mine better. Yeah, yeah. I was gonna say the blue
Way
is
better. I mean, it's so
it's the
vibrant.
only blue part of the bike.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
Yeah,
I would much prefer a blue.
yeah. And we'll reset it right now, dude.
What?
Boom.
Damn.
And then we'll see how far she goes from here, guys. Yeah, it's cool.
station's gonna roll by right as I'm spilling gasoline in the street.
That's what I was just thinking, dude.
Well, now I have to wait until the fire truck goes by.
It's fair, it's fair.
I don't think you can wheel it.
Don't do it, don't try.
Let's pinch off some fuel lines. You might want to come from this side.
I think I'd have to throw it way back.
Not that one.
Don't get too cocky now.
I'm not going to try it. I'm going to end up something.
Headlight looks good.
Doing it live.
Doing it live.
Oh, come on.
Can you go get me my Modelo by the television?
I need it.
I've become quite wee-rye.
Wear it.
What is that? Is he doing an accent?
Dumbass scientists couldn't make I more smarter. All right, ready for the Montgomery Bike Show, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see you there.